Say what you want. Attack on Titan. Comparison size. My face is bigger. I've been wanting to get more books. There we go. At Taman Tugu. Last I've been here was like in 2022, I think. Oh. And I was here with my ex. But now I'm here with my friend. So yeah, oh my god, I'm already sweating like a pig. But being in nature again, so nice. A lot of people today though. Like when we came here, it was pretty full, so we had to park at the roadside. I'm already out of breath. So embarrassing. We just took like a 15 minutes break. It's not really a break, it's just like taking pictures and stuff. You'll see it. And we're not even halfway. Double vlogging. We're not even halfway through our checkpoints. We're only at 16. There are 30 checkpoints. You can do it. So I almost fainted like 10,000 times just now because low blood sugar, I guess, and I'm having coconut water. I don't know, I was having stomach ache as well. Haven't eaten corn in a cup in a while, like years. Here we go. Coffee because I'm so thirsty. So just now I wanted to buy coffee and the QR code was not functioning. Okay, I had to use cash basically, but then I didn't have cash. I wanted to ask Shada for cash, but then the customer next to me was like, oh, it's okay, I'll pay for you. I don't know, kindness. Malaysian is so kind. Of course I paid her back, but you know, it was been wanting to try this. We've got you, babe. So cute.
You always behave like a thug. No, I had something that was really cringe.
Hello, good morning. It's 12th May 2024. It's a Sunday and it's about 9:47 a.m. I am heading to KL today to see the Attack on Titan exhibition with Latun. I'm so excited. I think we bought the tickets before we went to Lombok. So, or is it after? I think it was before. I totally forgot. I'm feeling super cute today. For always, I mean, when have I not felt super cute? Oh, I'm so tired. I don't know why. Oh no, I do know why. Because I woke up at around 6:30 a.m. yesterday when hiking with Shaza, and then I talked to Diana, like we video called until like 12:30 a.m. So I only had like a wee amount of sleep, maybe 7 hours or less, because of course I have to doom scroll afterwards, and Miso and Sushi always like meows at my door at wee hours of the morning, so they're like my alarm clock. I could never ever sleep in. Anyways, I'll see you guys later and I'll show you my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day is me with my Cruella de Vil hair. That's part of the outfit. And then my Carhartt t-shirt, my favorite top these days from Shein. And I'm wearing a skirt with my bubble bag that I got from Bangkok. And I'm wearing my Doc Martens boots. Attack on Titan here right now. I got here early and Latun is only on the way. It's gonna take her 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna grab a quick coffee at Flint Cafe. I've been there a couple of times, been there with Latun as well. And maybe finish my book, finally. Hey! Attack on Titan! Here, yay, excited. So oh, there's a photo booth. We should do this.
Yes. Delicious. So number 1, no drink any outside food and drinks.
今から100年以上前、人類のほとんどに巨人に食い尽くされた。
On passing your training. This is the part where all of you get to choose which military regiment you like to be in. But before choosing, first show me. Salute. Remember, it's your right hand to your heart. Really good. Shinzo Sasageo.
Shinzo Sasageo.
Really good. Okay, let's now speak to our.
Look at us. Oh my god, we are so talented. Into I forgot what's it?
Something bagel.
Something bagels. It's walkable. So we're walking in the heat.
Anything within 1 kilometer is walkable.
Correct. Even in this heat. Not that better. Jeez, yeah. Rude. So they didn't have space at that bagel place. We're trying to look for an alternative. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's a lot. Fat cat boy. I've been here once only. bestie. Comparison size.
My face is bigger.
Oh my god, so small, guys. Look at us having to cut it. Guess what I found in my bag? This has been through laundry. It's my Japanese yen from my trip last year. Oh my god, it's like 300 ringgit. Damn. Okay, we are heading back to Pavilion because I wanted to go to a sleep bookstore to get some books. I'm running out of books to read. Okay, I have like maybe a couple more, but I want to add more books. So yeah. What I wanted, favorite author. I'm looking for this. Yes. We are in the hunt for Missue. Hunting for Missue.
Hunting for Missue.
I've never tried Missue in my life ever.
You've never?
No, I've never.
Why?
No, like just never. So we're gonna break my Missue virginity. Cheap. Got our Missue.
Happy girl.
Happy girl. Even though I don't know how it tastes, but I'm happy. Zero sugar. Sweet like sweet. It's okay. A little bit sweet is okay. Dinner, 15 ringgit dinner. One cost 15 ringgit, guys. Layer. But it's so good. So fucking good. Does it melt in your mouth? I'll eat after she eats. Was it less good than I remember it?
Come on, I think it's overcooked a little bit.
Right?
It's a little bit. Aku punya macam
More tender. Last time was better. A bit overcooked, but still good.
not even 1 minute.
Habis.
Cuma dah layer by layer.
Layer by layer memang. Good night. Bye bye. Hello. Oh wow, it's super dark because it rained and the lighting is really horrendous. And I have warm lighting on. I hope you can see me and I hope you can hear me. But I just wanted to share like what I got from the bookstore. I went to, I don't know if it's pronounced Elite Bookstore or Elite Bookstore. Oh my god. You know who did that? It was Miso. Miso, stop playing. I was trying to grab her just now, but like she just like, oh my gosh, she played with my phone. I just wanted to show you what I got from this bookstore. Yeah, I don't know how to read this. My Mandarin sucks. Is it? I don't know. I'll find out. But anyways, I've been wanting to get more books because I'm running out of books to read. Kinda. I mean, the books that I'm left with, I think I still have The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. And then I have Animal Farm. What else do I have? I think I have like 3 to 4 more books that is in my archive. But I wanted to get more books from Asian writers. TikTok has been like recommending me books. Because I don't know how TikTok knows that I'm in my reading era again. It's starting to recommend me books. Actually, I wanted to get more books, but I was like, I'm gonna keep that for like next month. Ta-da! This is also from TikTok, and it's by Mieko Kawakami. This is Breast and Eggs. Actually, no, this was not from TikTok, but the writer was. I think they recommended like All the Lovers in the Night, and then there's another one. I think it was like Heaven or something like that. I didn't get that one, but I got this one and another book of hers. So I got 2 books from the same writer, Mieko Kawakami. There you go. And each of this book, it costs around 65 ringgit each. I also got a new book from Banana Yoshimoto. So I've been raving about Banana Yoshimoto's Kitchen. I really love Kitchen. I love how she wrote, I mean the way she wrote. Stop trying to, girl, stop it. She's trying to like, ka-chow. She's trying to sabotage my vlogging. I've had Kitchen since 2022, I think, and I didn't read it. So basically, I think in 2021 and 2022, I've been buying a lot of books that was recommended by ARMY or BTS, but then I didn't actually read most of it. But after I got back into my reading era, I started reading it again, and not again, I started reading it, and then I fell in love with it. One of it is Banana Yoshimoto. So Kitchen was amazing to me, and I just trust this writer so much, and it's such a light read. I don't know why, but when I read a Japanese translated book, just like it's a very light read. At the same time, the writing is very descriptive, vivid, and emotional somehow. It just triggers a lot of like emotions which I love. So I'm excited to read this one. I think I'm gonna get another one from her, and probably I'm gonna get that cat books. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that next one perhaps. It depends on how fast I go through these books. So if I finish all 3 within this month, within either this month or June, then I'm gonna get new books next month, or else I'm just gonna go through my archive and then get new books later on. That's all. I'm probably gonna talk about the books that I read this month, end of April until May, like these 2 months, so that I don't know, I just feel like talking about books these days. Yeah, I love that I'm in my reading era again. Anyways, thanks for watching this week's vlog. I'll talk to you guys again next week, hopefully. Bye bye.